Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account level, any specific game pass, and that you hit the required quest checkpoint. Once done, make sure you have the base currency, usually 50k gold or equivalent trade items, and at least 1,000 minutes of playtime. Begin the first actionable step now. Open the progression menu, select the Infinity quest line, and accept the introductory task. This immediately flags your save for Infinity progression and unlocks the first target NPC for the next steps. You continue by executing the complex middle steps. Complete the chained quests that require defeating 3 minibosses and collecting 5 relics. While you do that, upgrade core stats to meet thresholds, aim for 200 attack and 150 defense, because Infinity checks these mid-process. Once those are met, perform the required ritual at the precise in-game location and time. This triggers the hidden event that progresses Infinity. Make sure to use consumables and coordinate with allies if the event spawns multiple waves. You finish by entering the final boss encounter during the event window. Stay focused and use mobility to avoid one-hit mechanics. After victory, immediately redeem the Infinity token at the shrine and check your inventory to confirm receipt. If the reward doesn't appear, relog and repeat the ritual sequence exactly, because ownership flags sometimes fail until a fresh session. If errors persist, clear cache or verify game files, then run the ritual again. This resolves most sync or flagging issues and secures Infinity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.